Among the entries to the light roof competition, the judges found that those that tackled tighter, trickier plots tended to produce more imaginative responses. And that's certainly true of the winner, Blink House by Stephen Macbean, designed for a site that's limited by both enclosure and planning constraints. Formerly used as workshops, the rectangular backland plot is bounded by high brick walls, and planning constraints required that the walls remain intact. Any building is limited to a single story above ground, with only the roof visible above the top of the wall. Enclosed on all sides and surrounded by a busy road, a narrow lane and a park, the house directs its occupants' vision outward and upward by means of an assortment of sophisticated devices. The judges called it fantastical and far out yet strangely plausible. Macbean's proposal involves excavating a basement to make a two-storey house. The structure of the new house is set back from the retained brick walls to make linear gardens on two levels on the east and west sides, overlooked from the inside through glazed walls and oversailed by the roof, which appears to float above the perimeter wall. Large angled mirrors placed within the gardens are part of a system of periscopes that offers views out to the surroundings. Stephen Macbean calls them windowscopes or virtual windows. The traditional periscope shafts are omitted to retain the openness of the garden strip. The upper parts of the periscope are housed in Corten steel-clad insulated cowls which sit on top of the retained brick wall, making a distinctive elevation to the street. The judges were impressed that a physical model was constructed to prove the concept. Sky views and daylight come from an array of roof windows with motorised baffles that respond to the movement of the sun throughout the day. They're set within a structural timber grid on 2.4 metre centres. Above and below the roof openings containing circular skylights are the mechanised white aluminium baffle discs which are able to rotate and tilt. These offer residents a degree of control over how light enters and acts within the interior spaces. Within the rim of each internal baffle, circular LED strips provide additional direct or indirect lighting options. As Stephen Macbean puts it, the baffles form a vibrant, visually rhythmic ceiling plane blinking to the sky. The judges were very taken with several aspects of the project. It offers inhabitants flexibility, control over their interior environment, as well as privacy. It has a confidence about technology and a wow factor, and architect Gianni Botsford, another judge, commended its weirdness. Overall, Blink House is very much in the spirit of the competition, looking not just to unlock difficult sites, but to find architectural opportunity in the constraints and a new relationship to sunlight, views, and the sky.